Whiskey has always been my interest. That became a passion, and then that passion became a business. It was always the end game after 30 plus years in the corporate world. We always wanted to do something together. Michelle's passion is gin, mine is whiskey, and start a small craft distillery. That was the original plan. It's turned out to be a lot bigger since that. We always wanted a brand home in the west of Ireland. We didn't want to go into an open field and build a warehouse and do it that way. We wanted to find something with character. We have three main buildings in the complex here, and they're all old buildings that we've repurposed. We were never going to build from scratch, and that's aligned with our values around sustainability.
When you see it, when you touch it, when you walk around it, you can see how amazing this building is. Plus the fact that it has so many stories to tell of its own. We're just adding to the next chapter.
But it's powered completely with green electricity. So up to 70% is wind power. Up to 20% then is from our solar PV panels. And then when we get our hydro system in place, the remaining 10% will be from the mill race that we have here. The heat pumps themselves then are powered completely with this green electricity. So we are not burning any fossil fuels or gas on site. We've no traditional boiler, we've no traditional chimney or stack, and there are zero carbon emissions from the energisation of the process.
We're really honoured and proud to be a finalist in the SEAI Awards. I think it's one of those things that really puts it out there that people should be doing this, and when you do it, you're acknowledged.
With this design, this technology, and with the support from SEAI, I think we can show the world that yes, you can cut costs and you can cut carbon at the same time.